What's up internet, welcome to Mo's Garage. In today's video I'm going to be using CeraKote to restore the Xterra's plastics so they can go from looking like this to looking like this. Let's get right into it. Alright everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and restore all of the plastics on the Xterra, including the roof rack, but I will be demonstrating the process on the side molding here on the passenger side. Now for those of you curious, I went ahead and purchased a CeraKote kit from Avalon King. Just after doing my own research, I figured this would be the best bet. Also from doing my own research, I've come to learn that the best way to get the best results is to make sure that the surface is as clean as possible. So I'm going to be using 91% isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to kind of clean everything down. I will be doing as many passes as it takes to get the surface clean before you apply the ceramic coating. So with all that said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's what our microfiber cloth looks like after the first pass. Not too bad actually, I'm pretty impressed. Let's go ahead and give it another round and hopefully that'll be it. Alright, so this is what the microfiber cloth looks like after the second pass. Honestly, it doesn't matter how many passes it takes as long as the microfiber cloth comes out clean at the end. We can go ahead and start applying the CeraKote. Alright, so with the CeraKote kit from Avalon King, you get this little foam applicator pad. And then you also get these microfiber cloths in there, which you can go ahead and stick onto the pad. Then they have this card, which you can use to kind of wedge the microfiber cloth into the applicator pad. This will just kind of help keep it on, and it'll make it easier when you're applying the ceramic coating. So go ahead and stick that thing in there. And then once we get that nice and secured, we can go ahead and start adding our ceramic coating. Alright, and once you're ready to start adding the ceramic coat, go ahead and open the bottle up. Normally you want to add in a couple drops, but for this particular case, since we're going to be using it on plastic, we want to apply a ton of it. The plastic is just going to absorb most of it, so the more you have in there, the less you have to apply. Oh man, and you can already start seeing the difference as we apply the ceramic coat. Now because it's ceramic coated made for paint, you don't have to worry so much about getting it on the paint because it'll act kind of like a wax essentially. But I'm going to go ahead and just keep applying it here to the plastic, and we'll go from there. Oh man, you guys look at the difference on this side molding. This looks so good. I'm pretty happy with the results that came out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the truck, and then I will meet you guys afterwards so I can give you guys a before and after shot. Alright everyone, so here is the before shot of the Xterra. The front bumper looks pretty good actually, but everything else like the side molding here, the front cowl plastic, they all look not the greatest. The roof rack actually is not in bad of shape. It cleaned out pretty good, but I still applied the ceramic coating on it. Door handles, both the front and the rear, and the one in the hatch, as well as the plastics down below the on the quarter panel and on the rear bumper. All those are not in the best shape, and I am hoping to restore all of it. But yeah, this is pretty much the before, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys the results afterwards. A lot of it came out really nice, as you guys saw with the side molding already. So stay tuned, and here comes the after shot. Alright, so here we have the after shot. That front bumper looks pretty similar actually. It turned out pretty good. There was a small difference on it, but not too much. As you guys saw, the side plastics are pretty good. The door handles came out really good. The rear quarter panels also came out really good. These are just really nice. You can kind of see some smudges on there, as well as the rear bumper trim, but that's really just because the ceramic coat's not done curing. Hopefully all that stuff will go away, and maybe I'll add a second layer if needed. But this stuff really turned out really nice. I'm very happy with the results. As you can see here, this is that one that we walked through together. The front cowl plastic part, this one looks almost the best. You kind of see here there's kind of like some watermarks, but it's probably also because it's not done drying. The roof rack looks really nice as well, although this one didn't have, like the front bumper didn't have that much fading, which was overall I am super happy with the results. I'm very glad that I decided to do this. I would definitely recommend this to someone who is considering maybe replacing or repainting their plastics. I ended up using almost a whole bottle of that ceramic coating on all the plastics. I still have enough to kind of go over a few places here and there, just kind of to touch up. But I bought these with my own money. This is not a paid sponsorship or promotion, but I did buy them from Avalon King when they were on sale. I think it was 3 bottles for $99. I think that's a great price, to be honest. Definitely would consider buying them again if I had to do this over. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you guys want to watch more Xterra content like this, and as always, have a great day.